Hey guys, welcome to Hard Info channel. Today I have Honor Magic version 2 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open settings application where we choose first Wi-Fi option, mobile network and their data usage. In it we press on the last option, more data settings. And there we can set our data limits. First we can set monthly data limits, maybe 5 gigabytes we can set. There we can set start data, when our data start, maybe first. And reminders when we get after we use maybe on 80% of our monthly or what you need and prefer. And there we can set remember of our daily data. And after we set it, we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.